Hello, my name is Anneli, and in today's video, we will discuss the storage of personal data in Recrur. First and foremost, we recommend considering how long you want to keep candidates in the system after the end of the job. In Recrur, automatic deletion is a supportive functionality that saves you time. You can find it under Settings, here, Candidate Settings, and Candidate Data Auto Delete. It's important to remember that if a candidate applies for a job, it is not necessary to obtain separate consent from them. Applying must be voluntary, and the company has the right to and obligation to retain candidate data for 1 year, with the purpose that candidates have the right to consent application if they feel the process has been unfair in any kind. Therefore, the employer must have the right to defend themselves and provide the candidate with the data used. So here, you can select the data storage period, how long you want to keep that candidates in your system. And if you, for example, select here 12 months, all candidates who have been in the system for 12 months will be deleted automatically. Another way to manage candidates is manually. And for that, we have here a notifications part. And here you can set notification if candidate has been in the system for, and if you click on this blue line here, you can select when you want that notification. For example, if you take this 11 months, you will be notified after 11 months about those candidates who have been in the system for that long time. Then you can decide whether you want to delete those candidates or you want to ask them agreement renewal. If you want to activate this notification, make it green, and then you will receive a notification to your email. Next, when it comes to keeping candidates in the talent pool for future offers, you can ask for their consent to retain their data. You can create company-based consents for this purpose, which can also be used for displaying privacy notes, for example, that describes candidates' the data management process or some kind of other information. You can find it here under agreements. Agreements. Okay, this is the right place. And here you can see all the agreements you have previously made. If you have to create new agreement, just click here, add new agreement. And here you can fill out the agreement form, add the title of the agreement, agreement itself, and activate it. If you activate it, it will automatically will be displayed on application form. And if everything is okay, just go down here and create initial agreement. Then all the agreements will be shown here under agreements. And yes, like I previously said, you can create here agreements or privacy notes, whatever you need. Just be creative and use this feature according to your needs or your company's needs. The view, okay, before we go to the candidates, I quickly show you where this agreement will be shown. For example, if we go to here under jobs, I take here one example job I have previously made, and here a job application form. If I click on it, then this is the view that candidate sees. Candidate fills out this information, and here is this agreement. If I click on this blue line, I can see the agreement what you have wrote, and candidate can click on it, and then this information will come directly to Recrur. And next is to view candidates in the talent pool. Talent pool you can find here under candidates. And in this talent pool, we recommend you to use those facial filters. We have, for example, green, yellow, and red. And those candidates we want to keep in your talent pool mark as green. And here you can filter out your good candidates, which are 24 out of 47. And here under filters, you can choose consent not given. Then you can see those good candidates who have not given their consent to keep their data. So now you can decide, do you want to send them a TPA renewal email, or you want to delete those candidates? For example, here you can delete those candidates, and also you can ask for TPA renewal. If you click on it, then here opens new tab, and here is please select agreements. If you have created more than one agreement, you can choose here which agreement should be sent to candidate. And next, you can select email template. And here you can choose, let's take this email template. You can check if everything is like it needs to be, and you can send this to your candidates. And then when candidates have given their consent to keep their data, you can check it very easily. For example, if you send this email out today, you can come back next week or after 2 weeks, put on those exact same filters, good candidates, and filter consent not given. Then you can see those candidates who have not given you this consent, for example, for 2 weeks, then probably they want their data to be deleted. So here you can activate, select all, and just delete those candidates. Also, here under filters, we have lots of other options you can use or how you can filter out candidates. So I recommend and I encourage you to use this feature and those filters as your needs. What do you need at the moment? What information do you need at the moment? So everything is given here. And for example, if we go under one candidate, Annela Mets, who is our very talented community manager. And here under her profile, we go under agreements. Then we can see, okay, she has given her consent to this agreement, and it is received on this time. So that is basically this short overview about agreements and consents. And if you have any questions, please contact our customer support, or you can also find assistance here in the manuals. If you click here, user guides, select English user manuals, and here you can find the GDPR selection. and you can find all the important information in one place. So I thank you for listening, and until next time.